Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at something that I'm super excited to take a look at. I have intentionally not looked, it's been hard for me not to look at this, and I wanted to wait so I could actually look at it when it's on camera. So, what this is this is the new Spartan PS. And the PS, here's the deal with the Spartan PS. It's supposed to have some kind of special coating on the blades that it's like, I looked, and the coating, I've seen the coating referred to as polyspectral or inox spectral coating. And what it's supposed to be is it's supposed to be sort of a black coating that's supposed to look different and cool. Now, here's the question. This knife runs about $60 on Amazon, and I'll include a link in the description if you want to take a look at it. The normal Spartan runs about $20, maybe $21, $22. So, is this coating worth $39? I don't know, but I do want to see. Now, this might be one of those things that I'm a sucker fanboy and they got me, or not. Okay. That looks kind of interesting so far. Now, they have one with black scales and one with white scales. And well, the corkscrew looks, I don't know how like spectacular the coating is. It also said that the coating can come off through wear, which concerned me a little bit. So, if it comes off with me opening it with my watch tool, then that's going to be an issue. Alright. The coating is kind of interesting, but man. Normally there's the whole thing where it's like, a lot of times the things I look at don't look as good as they do in person. I'm sorry. Things look better in person than they do in video. And I'm looking at this on video and I'm looking at this in person, and they look about the same. Let's see. My hope is that at the very least, so let's check and make sure. So have any of the thumbnicks? So let's try this. Let me just rub this. Can y'all see? It doesn't look like anything came off. Yeah. Doesn't look like anything came off. Well, at least that's something. Because if opening it once with the watch tool does it in. Now, in the description, it said that if you sharpen it, you're going to lose the coating, obviously. Because you're going to basically just file off that coating. And so, I mean, it's just, okay. Here's what I can tell you. There's a spot, and it's since I'm looking at this from a different angle than the camera, I don't know how you would see it. But there's a spot when you turn it like this where it looks like it's silver. Like from my position where I am right now, when I turn it like this, it looks silver. And when I turn it farther, it looks like a lighter silver, like a brown. And then when I turn it farther, it's black. And it looks like a mirrored black. So, I don't know. Well, this should be the big test, because this is the biggest tool we got. And so, if you look at it from this angle, look at it, I mean, like, there's kind of, it's sort of interesting, but it's just, I don't know. Maybe I'm just missing it. Okay, I was legitimately excited to look at this because everything online said it was supposed to look really cool. And it just doesn't look that neat. I mean, I've wasted money on Swiss Army knives. I'm not gonna lie there. I mean, I've spent some random money, but I don't know if, man, I just don't know if this particular thing is worth it, because it's basically 3 times the cost of a normal Spartan. And I mean, maybe it's just the collector's aspect of it. I think that it probably would look better with white scales, because you'd have the white and then you'd have the sort of black of the tools contrasting better. I kind of thought black on black might be good, but I suspect that in hindsight the white and black would look better. But still, I mean, I just don't know. I don't think it's worth it. I don't know. What do y'all think? What's your opinion on this one? I was kind of excited, and it's kind of a little bit of a downer. I was expecting it to be a little more interesting. Anyway, sometimes such is life. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll include links in the description if you want to take a look at this for yourself. And if you have any, if you've gotten one of these and you like it or dislike it, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.